Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator in 2025, you already know how fast AI is changing the game. From editing videos in minutes to writing viral scripts, AI tools are now your secret weapon. So in today's video, I'll show you the top AI tools for content creators in 2025 that can save you hours of work, help you grow faster, and even boost your income. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have at least one tool you'll want to start using today. So stick around till the end, because I'll also share my personal favorite that I use daily. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's jump right in. All right, first on the list, ChatGPT 5. Now, this isn't just for writing essays anymore. In 2025, ChatGPT is like your personal creative partner. Example, let's say you're struggling to come up with YouTube video ideas. You just type, give me 10 trending video ideas in tech niche with catchy titles, and boom, you've got a full content calendar in seconds. Or maybe you're stuck on writing captions for Instagram. Instead of wasting 30 minutes, you can ask ChatGPT to write 5 engaging captions in your tone of voice. The best part? You can even train it on your past content so it writes exactly like you. If you're serious about content creation, this is like having a 24/7 co-writer in your pocket. Next up, Runway Gen 3. This tool is mind-blowing. If you're a video creator, you know editing can eat up your entire day. Runway lets you create cinematic videos from just text prompts. Example, imagine you want a futuristic background of Tokyo with neon lights for your short film. Instead of filming, you just type it tanned, Runway generates it for you. And for YouTubers, it has a AI-powered green screen removal, auto editing, and even voice cloning, so you can fix mistakes in your audio without re-recording. This saves creators hours every week, and you know what that means. More time to focus on growth. Number 3, Canva AI Suite. I know a lot of creators who swear by Canva, but in 2025, it's on another level. Example, you want a YouTube thumbnail? Just describe it. A shocked face with glowing text saying Best AI Tools 2025, and Canva generates 5 thumbnail options instantly. Also writes post copy, generates logos. And even auto-resizes designs for all platforms: Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, you name it. If design isn't your strong suit, Canva AI is your best friend. Number 4, Descript. This is the tool for podcasters and video creators who want to edit like pros. Example, upload your video, and Descript transcribes everything into text. You can literally delete words in the transcript, and it deletes them in the video. It also has Overdub AI, so if you mess up a word, you just type the correction, and it recreates your voice in seconds. This means no more endless re-recordings, and that's a lifesaver for creators who value time. Tool number 5, Opus Clip. If you're not repurposing content in 2025, you're leaving views on the table. Opus Clip takes your long videos like a 10-minute YouTube video and automatically cuts them into short, viral clips optimized for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Example, let's say you have a podcast episode. Instead of manually editing, Opus finds the most engaging parts, adds captions, and formats it in vertical style. This is perfect for creators who want to maximize reach without spending hours on editing. Number 6, Leaven Labs. This tool is all about AI voice generation. Example, maybe you're a faceless YouTube creator and don't want to use your own voice. Leaven Labs can generate a natural, human-sounding voice in any accent or language. Even better, you can clone your own voice, so you never have to sit down and record every script again. This means you can scale content across multiple channels, even in different languages. Huge growth hack in 2025. And finally, Notion AI. Content creators need organization, and Notion AI is the perfect productivity hub. Example, you can manage your content calendar, brainstorm new video ideas, generate outlines, and even automate workflows. Imagine having your scripts, thumbnails, and posting schedule all in one place, organized by AI. That's how creators stay consistent, and consistency is what drives growth. So, those are my top AI tools for content creators in 2025. To recap quickly, ChatGPT 5, your creative partner. Runway Gen 3, next level video creation. Canva AI Suite, instant designs and thumbnails. Descript, edit videos by editing text. Opus Clip, repurpose content into viral shorts. Leaven Labs, natural AI voices. Notion AI, organize everything in one place. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss future videos where I share AI tips and tools to help you grow as a creator. Also, if you want me to make a full tutorial on any of these tools, let me know in the comments. I'll make it happen. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.